Welcome everybody, welcome. Today we're going to be cleaning up these apartment buildings here. As you can see, the bushes haven't been done in forever. So we're going to be cutting stuff like this down halfway, like this halfway. We got all the guys are here. So what we're going to do is we're going to trim this lilac here, take it down about halfway. We're going to cut all these trees. I'll go show you guys what we got going on out back. I guess I'll take this truck here, I'll back it up to the end there. Alright, we'll clean out the electrical wires right there. We'll clean out the corner of the building and do a nice cleanup here. Do that, clean out the wires, clean out the building up at the top. A little look at what's going on here. Cleaned it out pretty good. Remember, this bush here is probably 3 times the size. Let's go look out back, see how it looks. This is a place where you're not going to be able to say you don't notice what's going on. Oh, there's that one there. Oh God, what should we do with that? Okay, well I guess we'll leave it like that for now. Alright, everything looks good here. Alright, looks good. Let's walk around over here. You're not gonna be able to say you don't notice. Yeah, look down there. Electrical wires are good here. Looking good, looking good. Let's go down the front, see what's going on, and look at that lilac on the corner there. Looks a lot better. Alright, let's walk around here and just show you guys the final, what that looks like, the final you saw out back. The lilac there is done, all the bushes are done. Remember, they were up over that first window right there. Look at that bush here. It's almost a tree now. By the end of the summer, you won't even notice that you won't even see those pieces of wood. And we up on the corner up there, all done. All right, that one's done. That one done. Hope you guys made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, à la prochaine. C'est Dieu le veut.